This is Marvel Metal 3766, the random character break, 100 spots, 100 based on the checklist. Anybody that is not on this checklist at the time of sorting will be randomized. Here we go. 5 times. Let's do this. Ignore the numbers next to it. 1. 2. The numbers next to the actual characters' names represent their spot on the checklist. 3. 4. And 5. Top is Nimrod. Oh, Tabby!
Hello.
And bottom is Colossus. 5
Hey!
times. Tabby's alter ego on top. Tabby's favourite one on bottom. 5 times.
I do like to be on top lately.
No, none of that. Simmer down.
On leaderboard.
Mm.
So competitive.
Hey, Ben, I'm good, buddy. How are you? Here we go. 3766. Yeah, a green PMG would be very, very nice. Alrighty. Here we go. Let's do this thing. What are we looking for? Alright. Jeez, they're nice. Alright. Strife. Thunderbird. I'll go. Deathbird. Brew. Oh. You come around here. Brew. Dazzler, who I love. Husk. I know it. And Cyclops. That Cyclops one is really, really cool. These are gorgeous. Wow. Hey, Jamin, how are you? Wolfsbane. Second to last card is a hit. So it would have been Husk, but Husk is not a hit. Jean Grey. Gee, some of these backgrounds are gorgeous. Northstar. Rachel Summers. And Storm. Hi, Shay. Was Rachel Summers Hope? Or maybe her name was Hope Summers. Who's Rachel Summers? Oh no, Hope Summers is Hope Summers. Forge. Cecilia Reyes. Rogue. Rogue is just a card. And Hope. We'll ship all these. Domino. Lady Deathstrike. Frenzy. Shadow King. Oh, it's Blob. Jeez. Kind of looks like me. And Ultimate Wolverine. These are really, really nice. You sure it's not the last cards that are hit, Dale? Ah, fair enough. Magnus just put through a personal, which saves him from a little bit of timing out. Scarlet Witch. Oh, looking good. M? Who's M? Darkin. Sabretooth. Multiple Man. And Eyeboy. Was the gold Ultimate Wolverine? It's not numbered or anything. This one here, not numbered. Dal, you watching so in case I miss a hit? Pardon? Will they be numbered if they are? Oh, so it's only the second last. Jubilee, Magneto, Elixir. Geez, the Strife card is so nice. And Thunderbird. Then on the back it's Havoc, which also isn't a gold card. Master Mold, Kitty Pryde, Pyro, Beast, and a purple of random. Okay, maybe it's not pen. Oh, it's the Grandois. Is that an insert, Dale? Grandiose. So that's an insert. And Sunspot. Very nice. This is a little confusing, but we'll get there. Husk, Cyclops, random. Arcade. That's not a... I don't think that's a gold variant, but that is pretty. Angel. And Lilandra. That is a grandiose. And Gambit. Karan just said Simmons going to the Wolves. Is that official or... That's what the reports are saying. Vanisher. And the dirt is gone. Gladiator. Sunfire. Bling. Mystique. Oh, a Palladium of Bishop. Nice one there. Just make sure the Bishop's definitely a hit. And Lilandra. Some of the cards will be metal, yes. Just making sure Bishop. Yes, he is. He's on the list. Sebastian Shaw. Exodus. Ultimate Wolverine. iBoy. Magic. That is to 75 of Magic. They're very pretty. And Shatterstar. That's really nice. The old Magic. Tabby, which X-Man is Magic related to? It is Colossus.
Oh, really?
Yep. Colossus references his little sister, I believe, in Deadpool as well. Quicksilver, Bishop, Wendigo, Omega Red, Magic. That's quite a nice card. And nice, purely periodic of the Silver Samurai. They're cool. So, is Silver Samurai on this list? I don't think he is. Well, he's definitely not on the NFL break list. Silver Samurai is on the list. Yes, he is. That's really, really cool. I like that. And Firestar. Wow, the Firestar Ultimate Art's really sick. And then, finally, final one. Exorn. Chamber. Phantom X. What's Phantom X's power, Tabby? Blindfold. Namor. And Colossus. That's really cool as well. And Polaris. And that is that for Marvel Metal 3766. I really like the variants. They're really nice. So it looks like 5 hits or so.